What's up, nail friends? I'm Ipsita from Ipsita's Nail Vlog, and a heartiest welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove these acrylic nails safely at home. And if you didn't see the video where I did the tutorial on these nails, I did these nails with Emmy Gel's acrylic system. Then I will link the video at the end of this video. Okay, so let's begin. First, I'll reduce the length of the nails with the nail clipper, but be very careful because the nails flies. Now I'll take a coarse nail drill. This is very coarse. Let me go with this. This is a safety bit. Now I will be putting this in. This is a cordless, rechargeable drill machine. So I'll switch it on, and this is in the minimum level. I will make it in the medium. This has low, medium and high level, so I'll keep it in the medium level, and we'll start. Oh my god, it's in the opposite direction. Don't stay at one point, otherwise it will hurt you, it will burn you, because the friction creates heat, and that heat spikes, you are going to get it over here. Now in this condition, we are quite professional in this art, so we can file off the nail without hurting the nail bed. But when you are starting in the beginning, it's better to file off till the 80% of the acrylic. See, I have filed till the 80% of the acrylic, and now I'm going to soak the rest of the acrylic off with pure acetone. Now I'll take a bowl and we'll use this acetone. Now this acetone, you will get it in Amazon. The link I will provide in the description. Now I'll show you 3 ways to soak off your nails with acetone. One is you can dip it inside and keep your hand like this way, and as the acrylics melts away, you remove it and again you put it up. Another thing is, I'll show you. Another, with these type of clips, you can see these type of clips, you can soak your acetone over here, and then you can use it. Like, see, I'll show you. You have to drench the full cotton in acetone. Then you place it on your nail and you put the clip on. Leave it for 10 minutes. Now these type of containers come, I don't know you will get it in India or not, but I got it from USA, and actually my friend sent these to me. Here what we have to do, here we can pour the acetone in this way and show you. I will dip my nail. It will become airtight completely. See, it's not running away. So I have to keep like this way for a few minutes. And the other way is I will pour a little over here and will immerse it for say 10 to 15 minutes. Now few minutes have passed. Let me see. First take out this nail. See, I have to hold this. Give a scratch. See, it's breaking down. Acrylic is the acrylic is breaking down. Can you see? Be very careful. Don't hurt yourself or your natural nail bed. थोड़ा ज़्यादा दे दिया था, इसीलिए कम कर दिया. So this way you scratch it once and then again you put your hands back in the acetone. Same with these two. These two. Now after now after soaking off the nails, the acrylic, this is the condition. Now you take 180 by 180 file and you start filing the excess acrylic off. Now as I told you, hand files will take some time. In that case, what I will do is I will take a rubber band and will attach it with my drill and will switch it on at the lowest mode. Now all the acrylic got removed. Now I'm going to shape my nail. Now taking a buffer, I will buff the nails. Take the plain side, then again you buff your nails. So I'm completely done with the nails. See, all the acrylics got removed. Now I will take a cuticle oil. This also I will give you the link. You will get this in Amazon, but you won't get these flowers with it. I just it is from my side. I choose to insert some flowers in it and to look it more beautiful. So your nails are just as beautiful as they were before. No harm is caused. Nail bed is completely secured. So with that, let me end this video. So do like, share, comment and subscribe to Ipsita's nail vlog and see you in the next video. Chalo dekha hobe.